Coogee this year is piloting our new course, the Coogee Award Holders Program. It's aimed at making surf lifesaving more accessible to people that aren't necessarily strong in the water.
For the university to provide an opportunity for students to really enjoy what Australia has to offer, be it the Learn to Swim program or be it the Beach Ocean Safe program or the current program that the students are in, which will go on to see them become surf lifesavers.
It is definitely a challenge, but I'm so excited about the program.
Yeah, we have a number of UNSW international students on the course. So they're doing their radios, they've done their first aid, and they're about to do their ART. And so far their feedback has been fantastic.
The best part about this program is you don't have to be an advanced swimmer, so you can learn the other essential skills like radio, first aid, so you can be offshore and still help out. You don't have to be in the ocean to help out somebody.
But then because I grew up in a non-coastal city in Iran and I didn't have that exposure to the ocean, I thought that this is something that I want to pursue in my life here.
I'm the first person to be able to swim into the water from my family. No one in my family has never have been into the water at all. So that makes me a special person.
Being able to understand basic water safety skills and being able to communicate and tell my friends, okay, there's a rip current, you don't go there. So that's small little things make a big difference when you're in a group and in a friend circle. So I really like that part about this course.
So being on the patrol, I'm gonna feel so proud of myself to be able to have this achievement, to be in that position, and I'm really excited and looking forward to it.
By far, it is my proudest moments in my life. This journey has enriched my entire life since I moved to Australia.
Performing in the South End earlier this morning.
They'll be active lifesavers, they'll be on radios, they'll be responding to first aid, they'll be at outposts observing the water and looking for people that might need a hand.
I feel quite responsible because it's a sense of giving back to the community, whatever I've learned. So I feel good about it.
I definitely feel more responsible because the first patrol that I've learned a lot. Taking care of the people over here in the beaches, it's really a good feeling for me. This has been a really nice journey for me. It was awesome to meet everybody. Everybody was really helpful to integrate me and the rest of the tour.
Today I'm feeling really proud. I feel like I'm getting out of my comfort zone, being able to say that I'm in a position where I can save people's lives and make them feel comfortable around the beach.
It's an amazing day for our students. They've become surf lifesavers now, and now they're integrating within the Australian community.
I think that the community is going to love the fact that we're expanding beyond what a typical lifesaver looks like. And by doing that, by improving our appearance and that inclusiveness, I hope that we're more approachable and hopefully that we'll be able to actually prevent more incidents occurring because our communication will be better.
I do have a message for international students. It's a great learning and development opportunity, and it's just a great way to get involved in the Australian beach culture as well.